Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to restart your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we need to make sure that our earbuds are connected to our phone. By opening the case, they connect automatically and it's showing as connected. Now, as a next step, you need to make sure that both of your earbuds are in the case. Now you need to find this button on the back of charging case and hold it until this indicator on the front becomes red and you will hear 3 little rings. Let's do it. After these 3 little rings, you can stop holding the button, and that means that your earbuds was successfully restarted to the factory settings. Now we need to reconnect them to our phone. For that, we need to click on the AirPods Pro that you use connect to and click forget this device. Now we need to close the case and open it again. And after this, your phone will automatically suggest you to connect to your AirPods Pro. We just click on connect and all's done. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.